I'm lubing up the door on the Suburban. I got 5 doors to do. Spray, spray, spray. When you order these, whatever you call them, elephant ear mirrors, come standard with this little baby mirror, just like a car. They give you this little bracket here with a little bit of sealer here. And my K5 Blazer had tons and tons of options. Rear sliding windows, skid plate, bigger gas tank, differential. No posi. But didn't have that bracket, so I made one. And I just welded it on because it attaches underneath the mirror to the bottom, so the door shouldn't swing. It reinforces the door. GM engineered everything, huh? Ordered the mirrors, the big mirrors, which 99.9% of the trucks had, and you got this special bracket. So I'm lubing everything up. The door wasn't too bad. It had some oil on it. Look at that, the track. Well, you can't see it, but how's this one? Oh, oh! Terrible, huh? Mosquito buzzing my ear and rust. I had a guy look at it yesterday. He comes over and he starts grabbing the rockers. I said, why don't you just crawl underneath and observe the no rust? Oh, it's unbelievable! Oh! Yep. $7,500. Forgot my steering wheel puller. I'm gonna put the turn signal cancelers on and tighten the column. It's a little loose. Well, I'll fix her up.